Over the last day, 140 combat engagements took place. The enemy launched 5 missile attacks using 6 missiles, dropped 79 guided aerial bombs deploying 1,066 drones, including 82 Shahed and Lancet UAVs. The invaders fired 4,056 times at Ukrainian troops' positions and populated areas using various types of weapons, including 118 MLRS attacks. On the night of May 20th, Russians attacked the Kharkiv region with an Iskander-M ballistic missile and launched 29 Shahed drones from the areas of Primorsko-Akhtarsk and Kursk. Ukrainian forces shot down all 29 enemy drones over the Odessa, Mykolaiv, Poltava, and Lviv regions. Over the past day, the Air Force and the Defense Forces missile and artillery units hit 2 enemy personnel concentration areas, 4 command posts, 3 artillery systems, and 1 anti-aircraft missile system. Russia's total combat losses in the past day amounted to about 2,400 troops. The enemy also lost 15 tanks, 35 armored combat vehicles, 50 artillery systems, 2 MLRS, 4 air defense systems, 81 operational and tactical UAVs, 1 missile, 1 ship, 60 vehicles, and 2 pieces of special equipment. Since the beginning of the day, the situation at the front has escalated, with Russian invaders firing 533 times at Ukrainian troops' positions and using more than 50 kamikaze drones. More than 30 combat engagements took place, including 1 missile and 1 airstrike each. In the Kharkiv sector, the defense forces repelled an attack in the Staritsia village sector. The situation is under control. In addition, Ukrainian troops took measures to reinforce defensive lines and positions in designated areas. In the Kupiansk sector, Ukrainian defenders successfully repelled an attack in the Sinkivka sector. In turn, Ukrainian soldiers are conducting assault operations in certain areas. The situation is under control. In the Siversk sector, the number of enemy attacks slightly decreased compared to the previous day. 2 combat engagements are currently underway. In the Kramatorsk sector, 2 enemy attempts to advance in the areas of Ivanivsky and Andriivka were repelled today. 2 combat clashes are ongoing near Klishchivka. Russians have not had success there. The situation is under control. The situation in the Pokrovsk sector is tense. The enemy attacked Ukrainian troops' positions 12 times since the beginning of the day. Fighting continues in the areas of Yevanivka, Lozova, Sokol, Novopokrovsk, and Novoselivka Persha. The situation is tense southwest of Osheretine. Measures are being taken to stabilize the situation. In the Kurakov sector, 3 Russian attacks continue near Krasnohorivka and Novomikhailivka. The situation is under control. 2 enemy attacks have already been successfully repelled in the areas of Vodiane and Krasnohorivka. In the Vremivka sector, the invaders have already made 2 attempts to advance near Staromayorske. 1 attempt was repelled, and another battle is ongoing. Ukrainian forces have retained their positions. In the Dnipro-Rover sector, 1 combat engagement is ongoing near Krinky. Ukrainian defenders have repelled another attack today. The enemy has not achieved success. The command is taking measures to allocate reserves and firepower. As reported by Ukrinform, the defense forces neutralized 8,280 Russian troops in the past week. A prominent Russian military blogger has raised concerns that Moscow is faltering in its offensive in the Kharkiv region amid high losses, which could precede a Ukrainian counterattack, as a map shows the latest state of play. A push started on May 10th by Moscow in the northeastern Ukrainian region, just over the border, has seen Russian forces gain momentum, reportedly capture several settlements, and enter the town of Vovchansk. However, a telegram post by the channel War Gonzo which is associated with Russian special services and has more than 1 million followers, described how large losses by Moscow's forces could precede Ukrainian forces seizing the initiative. In its update on Monday, the latest map by the Institute for the Study of War, ISW, showed Russian claims that Moscow had captured the settlements of Zybin and northern parts of Staritsia, as well as Vovchansk. The ISW's assessment added that, amid Russia's offensive operations near Lipsy on Monday, there were no confirmed changes to the front line in this area, which lies northeast of Ukraine's second biggest city of Kharkiv. If Russia manages to capture Kharkiv, or at very least the ring road around it, that gives them access to the road network into central Ukraine and cuts Ukrainian forces farther to the east off from easy resupply, David Silby, associate professor of history at Cornell University, told Newsweek. The ISW has previously said that Ukraine's ability to defend itself in the region has been compromised by the U.S. prohibition on the use of American-provided weapons on Russian territory. This policy was reiterated by U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin on Monday. He told reporters, "Our expectation is that Kyiv use U.S.-supplied weapons on targets within Ukraine," as he said Moscow had opened up another front in the Kharkiv region.